And then for the nose mouth part, they have those cheeks. Everyone's seen, some of the cats, so you want to push that in a little bit, and then you get these puffy little cheeks here. Okay, and then we'll end up putting little dots here for his little whiskers. We have a heart-shaped confetti. See the little heart-shaped confettis? And I used a pink one for his nose. Cats are easy to do. That's why I did a cat. Dogs are about the same, but so you can do a dog if you so desire. Okay.
Cat.
Okay. Okay, so we got that done, and what we do is I just set it aside to dry, okay? And then stuck them on a stick.
Nice. Cat on a stick.
Cat on a stick. Okay, so eyes. Took a little bit of blue.
Is that a Americolor blue or
yeah, it's Americolor. It's royal blue.
Royal
you can
blue.
use anything. You can even just dust it if you want, or just paint it if you want.
Just a little tiny bit, because it's pretty concentrated.
Yeah, it's pretty concentrated. I'm going to put some shortening on my fingers so I don't dye them blue. All this does is make it easier for me to, if you don't wear gloves, it makes it easier to wash your hands and get the blue off.
I like it.
Or you can use your pens, use your color pens, and do it that way. And then you don't get any blue on your hands.
There you go.
No questions?
No. They were going to ask.
Is anybody out there? Hello?
Yes.
Echo.
They were simply going to ask, how do you get the color to not stay on your hand? And you already answered that.
Oh, yeah.
That's how you roll.
Okay. Well, there you go.
There you go. So it's all good.
Okay, so we just...
So this is blue.
Blue. And then what I'm going to do is make his eyes. So we got a ball here. And we're going to split it in half so we get 2 equal balls. All right, so we got a ball, and then I'm going to roll it with one finger to make kind of a teardrop. Okay, kind of a teardrop. And then I squish it. So
Are these eyes?
Makes the diamond eyes, right? It makes that teardroppy eye.
Cat eyes.
Well, they're not really cat eyes. I decided I couldn't do cat eyes, so I decided I was going to do what I wanted.
Okay,
so
there you go.
Everyone.
I want to give this cat some dog eyes.
Well, that's just too bad.
That's all right.
They should have eyes like this anyway. It makes them cuter. So anyway, so same thing for the blue. Just rolled it in a ball and then rolled it into a teardrop. Okay, and then I press it on. Try to go the right way here, people. Okay, these are probably kind of big for this cat.
He has big eyes.
They look a little big.
He's scared.
Okay, so you see
He's
we're starting to
in a
get
giant elf boot, so he's pretty scared.
He's funny.
What am I doing here?
Size of that elf!
The size of that elf. Wow.
All right,
like
black.
5-foot elf.
And again, you can use the marking guys. Wait for it to dry and color it. Very easy, but I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing with the little. You're just making smaller and smaller balls is all you're doing. And I'm going to flatten them here because this stuff's kind of dry.
Now they look like eyes.
Now they look like eyes.
See, until you put the little black piece in, you kind of go, they're kind of starting to look that. As soon as you put the black in,
eye.
That's my sound effect for everything.
Yep. Wow, those are big. So we'll make them smaller.
He is scared. Whoa.
All right, you guys.
So
you can change this look depending on how you do. It can be really funny. Look at the size of that elf. Oh my God.
I like it. I like it that big.
Okay, and then I do the eyebrows because I have to do eyebrows. So I just take a piece and I just roll it in my palm until it's a long, skinny piece.
Gotcha.
Cut it in half, and then put it on. If you need water to help you put it on, do that.
See, it's the little details that give it some life.
Yeah.
It's the
Now he looks like
movement.
a worried cat.
Well, he is worried.
Yeah.